The CDC is in Vermont to study pertussis,
The nickname in China was the 100-day cough, and it's no joke.
also known as whooping cough. It can be debilitating to adults and fatal to children, and experts say a new strain is surfacing.
And so we want to see if the pertussis that's circulating now is if the vaccine still is effective against that strain of pertussis compared to the one the vaccine was developed for.
The reason the CDC came to Vermont is that 90% of the cases from the 2012 epidemic were from the new strain. The CDC says that's a much higher percentage than the rest of the nation. There's another reason they're here.
In Vermont, our lab does the rapid test, but they also still set up cultures and try and grow the organism. And then we have isolates that we can test and do further studies on.
Without the isolates, we wouldn't be able to tell if the bacteria was this new strain or not. So that's how important it is. We literally couldn't do this evaluation anywhere else than Vermont.
Once they finish the study, federal regulators will study the results and possibly make changes to how people are vaccinated.
There's the potential that we could really learn a lot about not only pertussis vaccine effectiveness, but also about this new strain of pertussis that's circulating and whether or not that has any impact on the vaccine effectiveness. So we do think it has potentially national implications, and we're thrilled to be part of it.
Meanwhile, Kelso says the vaccine does still help protect children from whooping cough, and she stresses parents should still follow vaccine recommendations for their family. She says that's the best way to protect them. David Schneider, WPTZ News, Channel 5.